DG Tech Appliance Repair.
Dear friends, today we're going to be fixing a dryer LG. Homeowners saying that it's making some weird noise. Could be many different things that can cause that. It's heating but making it weird noise. So we're going to go take a look at it and see what's making the noise, and we'll take care of it, hopefully right away. Okay, so here we have the LG Trom dryer that I already took apart. This is how it looks. Okay, so the problem was that it's making a noise, and you can hear the noise. That's the noise. So we're gonna open it up and see. It could be either the rollers, could be this blower wheel here. I don't see it's damaged though or cracked, but we'll see once we remove the tub. We'll know better. Also, it could be the rollers behind the tub, the tub support, or the pulley that holds the belt. So we'll keep opening it up and we'll see what it is. Okay, so after unscrewing the front panel, we do have rollers on the front panel here, and this one is okay, although it's kind of hard to move, so we're gonna change that as well. But this one is the main problem right here. See this? It's just bad wiggling around, so we're gonna replace that and we're gonna be all set. This pin, you can use flat screwdriver to kind of push it in and out. Then after removing that, you want to removing the bed roller, you want to clear the area from the hairs and stuff. And then I like to put a little bit of WD-40 on it, and then plastic underneath it so we don't make the carpet dirty. Just put a little bit WD-40. Here we go. So I got the kit for the dryer. Got a belt. All right, so that's better now as well. That's better. Okay. Here we go. So now we're talking. All right, so it's good. Got to make sure that it is rotating normally before you put it all back together, because sometimes people just start putting it together and then press the start button on the dryer and it all falls apart just because you put the belt wrong. You know, it's for beginners, it's very hard to put the belt on, so I always recommend, before you put all this panel here, any other stuff, you wanna test it for spinning. Spins, doesn't make any noise. Good. All right, so after putting everything back together, the moment of truth. All right, nice and smooth. Very good. Looks very good. It's heating up. We're all set and ready to go. Okay, so homeowner was pretty happy that we was able to take care of it right away in the same day, and she's pretty happy. Couple of tips that I want to leave you with before I go on how to prevent that from happening. First of all, you know, many people do the loads in one day. Like, they will wait for 1 week, the whole week will gather all the clothes in the house, and then all Sunday you will do laundry all day, you know, 5-6 loads, and that is pretty bad, you know. And I understand that we not necessarily have time, you know, and it is so much more convenient to have a laundry day. But what happens is, because the dryers are cheap, unless you buy a commercial dryer, which is a completely different story. It costs much more expensive, much more money, but it actually worth it in the long run. Doesn't look as homely I would say, you know, it looks like a commercial dryer, but it you know, will last you a longer time. But the regular residential dryers, they made cheap, made of cheap parts, plastic pieces, you know, and plastic and rubber pieces, so they worn out with time. But if you will, and especially if you're gonna do load after load after load in one day, system hits, because it's a dryer, you know, it's under heat. And it's fine if you do it 1 or 2, 3 loads, but if you do, you know, 5, 6 loads in one day, you know, it's just gonna worn out very fast. Something will crack or something will worn out. And with this example that we had today, the roller just, you know, completely went away. Another thing is, make sure your appliances are balanced. You know, if it's making weird noise or if it's moving around, you know, try to adjust the legs. They're usually always, you can, you know, raise them up so it's leveled. So when it's not leveled and it's making noises, you know, it's moving around, it means that, you know, the parts are wearing out much faster. So do that, and, you know, read up on how to do maintenance on all your appliances in general. You know, it's very, many things can be prevented on appliances and can be taken care of without appliance technician coming out. Like, you can do it yourself. So just kind of go online, stay on my channel. I will be talking about, you know, maintenance and how to fix appliances more. So yeah, stick around. This is Nick, Appliance Geek. Have a good day, and call me if you're in Bay Area, in the North or East Bay Area. If you need any help, just call me. The number is gonna be down there. Have a good day.
DG Tech Appliance Repair.
Tech
Stove.
Tech
Washer.
Tech
Dryer.
Tech
Dishwasher.
Tech
Stove.
Tech
Washer.
Tech
Dryer.
Tech
Dishwasher. DG Tech Appliance Repair.